Hello guys, welcome to the channel. This is my first video on this channel, so hopefully I do very well. What I'm planning to do is just wash cars and trucks and trailers and fleets and stuff like that. I'm not doing scratch removing and do the 100% full car detailing. Just quick wash and go, fleet clean and go, and so on and so forth. So I'm gonna put the camera around so you could see my van. I'm still working on it, not 100% finished. As I said, this is my first video. Guys, please like and subscribe, comment below, let me know what I can do better and give me some tips and tricks. Anyway, if you're new, so I got a long way to go. So here we go guys. I know you guys probably see this truck over and over. As I said, I changed the name. So this is the van, and I do some modification a little bit. This is my water, so catch my water bucket, and the pipe is right here. See? So it's not bad. It still needs some work. As you can see, I'm still working on it. 100% finished. This is the compressor I'm planning to use. That's the vacuum. They go around there. See guys, this is the setup right here. See the Ryobi back there. So I'm trying to get it done, and also this is the remote that I use for it. So this one go right here. See, but when everything going, I'm going to give you guys a good the way it work. As you can see my tools here. Guys, check out this tool. This tool is very nice tool. You could hold it right, and then if you, sorry guys, using my one hand, if you open here, you can stretch it out. Guys, see, stretch all the way out. Look at that. So you can go inside the car, you could go on the, right here, you could go in between the seat, see? Yeah, you can go in between the seat, you can go, look at that, a lot of places. And then, see, you stretch it out, look at that, look how far I go, at least 20 something inches. So, this is my car, I need to clean it up. Again guys, to go and make you guys see the, this is the side, one of the door side, this is the other door side, and sorry about that noise guys. So guys, I also changed the radio. Alright, close the door. So I changed the radio because this radio was in there, right there, this radio was in there, and the screen wasn't working, and it's not nice. This radio is much better, that's what I'm saying. So right here I need to do the tire pressure, and engine light is not on, so it's pretty good. As I say guys, I also changed this one too. Check it out. See? Isn't that cool? I'm gonna try my best to leave links in the description so you guys could use it. This one I was gonna change it, and my son said, no dad, leave it just in case you're gonna need one. So it was two of this, so I changed one for this. And also down here guys, look, see? That's a USB charger. USB I plug in there with all of my videos and songs on there, so I just play straight from it. I don't have to download nothing. You see? So if I go here, you see, I could just play. Sorry guys, that thing is loud. You could go to the what the heck is wrong with this thing now?